Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is it's been on my radar for a very long time, and it's quite hard to find for some unknown reason, because it just came out just about 2 years ago, 2020, and especially in the United Kingdom is not easy to find. I'm not sure about other places, but United Kingdom definitely is not easy to find. This one retails for £65, but you can usually find it under £40 if you can find it in United Kingdom. This is what I paid for it, for this 100 ml Afnan. This one is called Afnan Rare Carbon, and this is for Ombre for men. There are two of them. There's one for lady, one for men, and it came out 2020, and is 100 ml Eau de Perfume. So as you can see, it's a big cardboard box. As always, the Middle Eastern houses, they know how to give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price for what you pay. So without any further ado, before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your help, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it, especially when you're listening with a headphone. So, beautiful box. Attention to detail is everywhere. And it opens like this, and look at this, just gorgeous bottle. Wow, heavy bottle, beautiful design. It's like one of those Islamic mosaic design to it. It says Afnan on top, Rare Carbon here, Afnan. Beautiful. The cap is metal, very heavy. And the atomizer, look at that, it's just gorgeousness. Wow, what an effect. Alright, let's go with the atomizer. Here we go. Very good atomizer. It gives a very fine mist. Okay, it's filling the room, holy moly. So Afnan Rare Carbon, this is for men. Came out 2020. First impression, first sniff, here we go. Absolutely gorgeous. People criticize me. They say, why you always say absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, whatever? Yeah, because they are. Can I lie and say no, it's horrible? No, I can't do that. So to my nose, for my taste, for my age, for my experience, this is an absolute gorgeous, especially for the money. Under £40. Such a good quality. Opens beautifully. So leather. This is a this is mostly leather, and the leather here is a little bit on the medicinal side. Sweet leather, spicy leather. It's got a little bit of powderiness to it as well, a little bit of smokiness undertone. Not much, tiny bit right now for the first impression, first sniff. But leather, and then some underlying woodiness. Quite floral in the mid. Give me a rose feel, but I'm not sure if there's a rose in here. But definitely floral. So for the first sniff, first impression, 10 thumbs up. Absolutely, I adore it. So what it does remind me of, yes, very close to Tom Ford Tuscan leather and Tom Ford Ombre leather. So it's like in between those two, or mixture of those two, or at least in that category. Okay, so this is like 95% close to both of those. Especially a little bit leans towards Ombre leather because this is a sweeter. So Tom Ford leather is less sweet than this, but again, very close. If you are looking for an alternative or dupe or a clone or copy of either Tuscan leather or Ombre leather, this is an absolute beauty. No wonder on Fragrantica they gave it 4.4 out of 5, which is a very, very high score for Fragrantica, because usually majority of people are quite critical. So there is a good reason why they gave it 4.4 out of basically 9 out of 10, and because it's gorgeous. And that's why I say it's gorgeous, isn't it? Because I'm not making it up, it's just basically it is. I can't lie, I can't say no, it's not good. It is what it is, okay? It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's very good quality, high quality perfumery, very good mix, very good quality, very good mixture, very smooth, very rounded. Absolutely, basically it's just same jar as those two, you know, Tuscan leather or Ombre leather by Tom Ford. If you put them side by side, even the expert will have difficulty to distinguish them. They are so close, especially leaning a little bit towards Ombre leather. So those two are Tuscan leather £300 for 100 ml and Ombre leather £150, and this is under £40. You do the math, you do the calculation, you make your decision. Obviously I always say in my videos, try it for yourself, sample it, decant it if you can. If you can't, then if you want to go blind, but that's your decision. But to me this is a no-brainer. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Gorgeous, absolute beauty in terms of smell, in terms of perfumery, in terms of quality, in terms of presentation. For under £40, I am over the moon. I'm so happy. Oh, the raspberry in this one is gorgeous. Yeah, so biggest players for the first impression, first sniff: leather, undertone woodiness, fruity, especially the tartiness of that raspberry, and floral in the mid, especially rose, and in the in the base you have the woody aspect, little bit of powderiness, little bit of smokiness on the line, but not much right now, and overall very, very good. So guys, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, in the next video I'll let you know the longevity and the perfume, the changes and things like that. But for now, 10 out of 10. No brainer to me anyway. Thank you very much. Hit those buttons if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances. They are out of this universe. They are super artistic, super beast mode, very unique, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.